4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 5 plus, 130. Right 3 opens into right 2 long, 100. And turn hairpin right, tight, 60. Left 2 long, slippy continues, 100. To turn hairpin left over bump, 200. Middle over flat crest long, 60, downhill to left 3 plus long. And right 2 opens over crest, 100, right 2 plus, 200. Left 2 into crest bump middle, downhill to left 3, don't cut, plus 150. Left 3 long, slippy, and right 2 over small crest into left 2 cast slowing, down to right 7 long. 40, left 5 slippy, and left 2 tightens into left 3 long. Into flat crest, 200, right 2 plus, 170, right 2 long slowing and care down to right 7, opens. Opens and continues for 100, 170. And chicane from the left hand side, just the 2. ET, right 2 plus long, 300 up the middle. And right 3 over junction, care, logs on the left hand side, then both after, into middle over crest bump, 300 down the middle, left 3 care continues for 130, tightens, slippy into left 8, care logs. This tightens into 8.
Again?
Into 8. Slippy and left 2 long over crest flat, 60 to left 2, 350. Middle over small crest, just there, 60 downhill slippy to left 3 long slowing.
Hang on. This is the 350.
Yeah, crest 60 down, left 3 long. There you are. Then 40 slippy to open hairpin right plus, long. 60, right 7 tightens over crest, camber, and left 5 plus, 80, left 1 past junction, into right 2, 80, right 2 plus, 150, to left 2 plus, 100, middle over small crest slowing to turn tight hairpin left. Into right 4, 60, left 2 plus long, well done, and right 2 plus over flat crest, stay neat. 150 down the middle, care, slowing left 2, into left 8, don't cut. Right 4, don't cut. 150, up the middle, to left 8, right 4, 100. Left 2 plus over flat crest, 200, up the middle. And left 3 tightens a little, 200 up the middle after. right 3 plus, stay neat, 100. To left 3, right 3, half long, into tight left 8, so slowing through the right for light left 8. And left 7, and left 3. And care right 5 long, into hairpin left. So neat, into hairpin left. 60, left 2 plus, 100. Left 2 over flat crest, 150. And right 2 continues for 250. Straightens up, 100. Right 2 again continues for 150 and tightens. And right 3 tightens, stay neat, continues for sudden turn hairpin right. Here you are. Tightens and sudden turn hairpin right. 200 over loose. Turn hairpin left over bump. And right 5 opens into right 2 continues for 200 slippy. And 230 after, over new stones, crest into left 2, then 300 through dip. Left 3 continues and tightens for 150. This will be your left 3 coming. Into left 4. Continues and tightens for 150, to left 4 continues for 100, into right 5 plus. Then 60, slowing for left 8, half long, tight. 40, left 3, and turn hairpin right. 200. Right 8, 40, so it's 200 to right 8. 40 to right 3. 40 again to left 4, 100. Right 4 tightens over crest, 130 up the middle. Left 7, 40, right 2, 40 again, to left 4, 40 past the junction, right 1 into crest and left 2 plus, slippy. 350 down middle through the dip, and right 4 don't cut, where the signs are. 60 bumpy.
And just got past him.
Right 2 tightens, into care, right 3. And downhill to left 5 tightens dip, slowing. Care 40, turn left 8, right 9. Don't cut right. And left 7. 40. Left 2 long. 40. Right 2 plus 170. Left 2 long. 40. Right 2 plus 130.
Fucking dust.
Yeah. Left 5 half long. And right 4. 60. To left 5. Tight over finish. Left 5 tight over finish. $170 and a right. You're over, you're done, you're done. 170, right 3 long to stop.
God, that was fast, wasn't it? Fucking cow.
Yeah.
That was 3 of us all together.
Yeah.